Today we're going to talk about how to install fonts. That way you can add variety and really focus on the typography of your designs. There are several websites that have free fonts. One of the websites that we're going to use is called donwload.com. When you go to donwload.com, you can go and search for different types of fonts. They have them organized at the top. Really, you just need to make sure that you are choosing something that is appropriate for your design. We're going to go ahead and just touch upon the fonts that are right here. When we get here, these are recently added. When you click on the font, you can then go and type in any sort of sample text. That way you can see what it will look like when you are using it in your design, such as Program of Studies. So that is an example, and we're going to go ahead and download this font. When you are in here, you can see on the far right it says download. Go ahead and click on download. When that happens at the bottom of your computer, you will see that there is a new file that has been downloaded. Pay close attention to the fact that it is a zipped file, which means you need to extract all. So go ahead and when you click on the arrow and show in folder, you are then able to find where it went because it immediately highlights the file you just downloaded. Another way, if for some reason you have clicked off, is to always organize by date modified, and you can always put the newest stuff at the top. Now that we're here, right click, extract all. When you extract all, it gives you the options. I suggest that when you extract your fonts that you put them into your folder, because there are many people on these computers, and sometimes you may need to reinstall a font, or if it becomes corrupt, or with many pre-press events, you must incorporate the actual font files into your folders that you send to the press. So go ahead, hit extract, making sure you know where it's going. There's a couple different things that go into here. And when you double click on the actual file, this is the chasing fonts, there's an install. Click install. Once that is done, you are then able to go and use the font. So I will go ahead and, using that new Chasing Embers, make my font and test it out. That is all that you need to do in order to be able to download, install, and use a font.